The point is, I really have to make this video regardless. I know I'm looking tired and stressed out. I've been working all throughout the day and I've literally been under the sun, and it's not been easy, but this has been on my mind to push out to you guys to let you guys know. So it's kind of like a skincare advice or a skincare tip, whichever way you want to put it. This is just for you, so make sure you pay attention. It's a must-watch video. So yeah, that's about it. Okay, so now when you're using skincare products, especially when you're using tubes, many skin lightening tubes to premix your products, and you're getting dark knuckles and your feet is looking bad or burnt, I just suggest you stop. Now these are kind of like my skincare tips, very important skincare tips that I want you to have in mind when it comes to skin lightening or skincare in general. Now for those people that mix creams, premix creams, use multiple creams at once, especially when it comes to adding, please make sure you know what you're adding. Make sure you've done your research, and at the same time make sure you watch a lot of informative videos like mine and many other people here on YouTube to be sure of what you're doing to your skin. When people review products, they share their experience, they share their view on a product. They're not necessarily trying to tell you to go and buy it in most cases. Reviews are just for informational purposes. It's not for you to go and buy a whole lot or a bunch of products and start using, and then you come and say, oh, Cynthia told me to mix 100 tubes in my product. Please do not mix tubes to that extent. Tube creams are actually for treatment purposes because many of them contain corticosteroids or steroids in general, or even mercury, and these tubes are actually supposed to be used for treatment. They're not something you should be overdoing every single time. Be mixing and mixing and mixing. Somebody came and the person was like, oh, can I mix this tube and this tube and this tube? You want to mix like 5 or 6 tubes in one body lotion, and then you're expecting me to approve it, and then when your skin gets bad, you will now want to look for somebody to blame. I am really sad with the rate at which people are pro-mixing things, and in the quest for wanting to have an even tone complexion. Listen, skincare is a journey. Skincare is a step-by-step journey. It is not a perfect one, and everybody's skin type is not the same. Personally, for me, I want to try out gentle products, natural skin lightening products, and then I will also want to use one product at a time. Yes, one product at a time. So yeah, take your skincare journey as a process. When you make mistakes, you learn from them and you try to be better than where you're from. This issue of mixing tube creams in large dosages or in large percentages in the quest for, I don't know what you want to achieve, and then in the process you burn your skin, you get really bad sun damage, you get terrible dark knuckles. When you notice that you're experiencing things that shouldn't be there, I suggest you take a break and you try to repair your skin. Instead of reaching out to moisturizing products, natural skincare products for different purposes, you're busy still trying to put tube creams, put tube lotions, premix. What are you trying to achieve? What are you trying to do to your skin? And then at the end of the day, you want somebody to blame? No, it doesn't work like that. Do your skincare with sense. Do your skincare with sense. Use a product at a time and understand how that product works on you. I'm not a fan of using a lot of tube creams in my product. I believe in using tube creams as a treatment and discontinuing them. That's one. Secondly, be patient with your skincare and understand that all skin types are not the same. When you notice that a particular skincare product, your skin is not tolerant to it, I suggest you discontinue and try something else. I'm actually in the bathroom right now, and I'm supposed to have my bath right now, but I felt like making this video to tell us to calm down, calm down, take it easy in our skincare journey. Don't be in a hurry to overdo and get it wrong and then start rushing to look for remedies. Be gentle and be considerate and do your skincare with sense. Do not over premix and do not use many active products in your skincare regimen or your skincare routine. Okay, this is really hurting for me right now. This is sad for me right now, and I feel like I should talk about it because we're making this mistake every single time. We keep doing this over and over again. So be patient and do not overuse actives. Take it easy with steroids. Take it easy with tube creams, please. For the fact that one tube cream can do this for your skin and do that for your skin doesn't mean that all tube creams in the market will do that for you, and does not give you the license to mix all of them into your product and then you come and say this person said, this person said. I mean, let us do skincare with sense. Do it with sense. Don't overdo it. Just don't overdo it. Take it easy. Be patient. That's just all I have to say, and I hope this video has that's just all I have to say, and I hope this video has inspired somebody and been informative enough. And I don't know, it came to my chest and I feel like saying it. Now, if you still want to purchase products from my brand in order to support my small business, please, I'm going to leave a link down the description box. The Lumi Cherry Skin Lightening Body Lotion and the Lumi Glow Herbal Brightening Black Soap, all made from natural skincare ingredients to brighten and to help you even out your skin tone, especially if you're a light skin person. The products are for you. The body lotion and the black soap, they are still available. Sales are still ongoing. Yeah, 2 natural body products would help you even out your skin tone, lighten and brighten your skin tone, especially if you have discolorations and all. Especially for those people asking me, oh Nyechi, what body lotion are you using? Now I have put it out for you guys to purchase and try out. I have limited products available on the shelf. Yeah, I'll be releasing our repair body oil soon. It is going to be limited and it isn't going to be that much. So in case you're interested and you want to purchase, please comment down below or visit the website. I'm going to leave the link to the website down below, or check out my customer rep. She's available. Cindy is available on this mobile number to respond to you. So Cindy, my customer rep, is available to respond to you in case you want to place your order. All right, don't forget to support the channel with any amount you have. Like I said, I have a goal to reach out to the less privileged homes by the end of this year. Please support that movement, that charity movement, with any amount you have. Thank you so much and God bless you. Remember, skincare with sense is the way to go. All right, okay, stay blessed. Bye.